dangerous?
Yeah, I think so.
Right, let's get our truck.
Okay, we got to put it up on the slide.
Up to this right here. Give me this.
Okay.
Mom.
What?
Dad, you hold it.
I'll hold this up here for the crazy stunt.
For the record, I think this is not a very good idea.
Oh. Here, give it to Dad.
I got it out my teeth.
Okay.
Dad, don't give me something.
Okay, come on, let's get your helmet.
Tell me, guys.
Okay, we'll move this up first.
Dad.
Back it up. Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, let's push it up. Oh, we gotta put it in. Okay, push. Push. Ah, there we go. Okay, now get your helmet on. Okay, I'll wipe it off. Okay. No, I won't. I won't make it good. No, not too tight. But it has to be tight enough to be safe, right? How's that? Feels good? That hurt? You gotta wear it like that. Yeah. Okay, whatever. You'll be fine anyway. Okay, let's climb up the stairs and do the stunt. So go up there, Mom. You gotta get aerial view.
Dad, you got my sister.
Donovan, look at Mommy. I want one last living
One
picture.
last look at him before he gets a broken leg.
Come here. Hi, buddy.
I did.
Okay, so here, let me see the camera. Should we film the stunt from here? Fella! Okay, put it in the right gear. Back up a little bit. Okay, make your wheel straight. Okay, say 1, 2, 3, go! Whee! Oh, I don't think I got it. I was looking at him. Okay, let's try again just because I don't know if I got it. Was that fun? Yeah, okay, remember, hold your head. You gotta hold your head. Okay, back your truck up to the side. And I'll push you up. Okay, back up. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Okay, back up. Go, back up. Back up. Oh, there. Back up. Go. I'm slipping. That was slipping. Okay, make sure your wheels are straight. Oh, there. Put it down. Okay, remember, hold your head forward, okay? Hold it like this. Okay, ready? 1. Watch Mommy. Go. Give Mommy a thumbs up.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah, good one! No, okay, hold on, Daddy's got to get his drink, okay?
Okay, can I stop this now?
Okay, so say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Say I did a crazy stunt.
Bye to the crazy stunt.